If you're trying to join your friend's game from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, but after accepting the Steam invite you get the unlicensed product error, here's how to fix it. First, make sure the game actually supports crossplay between Steam and Xbox. Not every game allows players from different launchers to play together. Next, check that you own the game or have an active Game Pass subscription if you're playing through Game Pass. If the game has left Game Pass, you'll need to purchase it. Now, make sure both you and your friend are running the latest version of the game. Different game versions can prevent multiplayer from working. If the game has a crossplay option in its settings, make sure it's enabled on both devices. Still getting the error? Sign out of the Xbox app and Microsoft Store, restart your PC, then sign back into the Microsoft account that owns the game. If that doesn't help, repair Gaming Services. Open Gaming Services Repair tool, let it complete the repair, and restart your PC. If the problem continues, it's likely that the game doesn't support multiplayer between the Steam and Xbox app versions. In that case, everyone will need to play using the same platform, such as Steam or Xbox. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and thanks for watching.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on, and I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep